Hi po. Di ba si mama po yung nagpapaano yung nagpapaano, yung parang nagpapaano sa mga ano, yung mga artist, yung mga umiiyak na mga artist, di ba siya yung nagpapaganon?
Ano yun?
Di ba yung sabi niya? Ano ba yun? Siya yun, di ba? Yung nagpapaano, yung umiiyak, tapos gumagayan yung mga tao. Ay, mga artista. Ala na, wala.
Si OG Diaz yun.
Huh? Siya nga yun.
Loading ka ako.
Hindi.
Mga anak,
Iba pa yun.
Suffer
hindi ko
lang
kayo
mo, ma.
ano kasi. Mahina.
Kaya nga po,
Mahina.
suffer lang.
Mahina
Ano
kasi
kasi?
lang yun.
Oh, ano kasi yun yung gumaganyan, no? Yung, ano kasi yun?
Yung turo-turo, oo, yung ano.
Oo, yung, ano kasi yun, guys, yung parang naiinis, hindi ko masabi. Basta ginawa ni RZ yun eh.
Happy workshop, oo, isa happy
Oo, sa
workshop.
workshop, di ba?
Oo, alam ko
Kaya
na
yun?
yung sabi mo, pero hindi siya yun. Iba
Ha?
pa si Sir Ogie, iba pa si Mama Poo. Si Sir Ogie, yan. Ito si Mama Poo, yung kasama nila, alam mo yung ano, nila Pokwang dati.
Ah, hindi siya yung ano, artista.
Oo. Pero artista rin siya.
Magkakamukha kasi sila eh.
Yan si Gino, okay na daw. Check nga natin. Isip ka kasi Gino kung ano ginagawa mo naman.
Ari!
Umiinom ka kasi talaga.
Kasi
Hindi! Hindi, pero ang lumabas, nakalagay, your life has been restricted for harassment and bullying. Yun ang nakalagay.
Oo, nabubuli ka kasi binubuli mo ako eh.
Wow!
Di ba si OCS nga siya?
Yes, oo, cornerstone artist natin.
Sige, kung may racism man, ako ba yun?
Alam mo minsan, iba yung bunot ni TikTok.
Hindi ko nga, hindi, akala
Mga
ko
sabi ko sa'yo, tayo bunot niya, yung mga nagjajakul, di niya pinapansin.
Uy!
alam mo yung nag-upload ako ng content nung nasa club tayo? Tinanggal ko lahat ng alak bago ko i-upload lahat. Tapos 4 na flag. Pero nag-appeal ako. Binalik nila lahat.
Hindi, baka may nag-report sa'yo kasi di ba kanina?
Oo, kanina. Baka may nag-report sa'yo.
May ganun kasi pwede yun na re-report lang nila.
Oo.
Kahit hindi si TikTok.
Parang pinagdidripan ka lang ni, ano, nila.
Grabe
Ewan ko ba,
naman
parang
yun.
may army ata
Oh,
sila na.
ako nga dati din eh, ganyan eh, binaano nila ako.
Baka ni... Ayan na
Gino
naman.
nga yan. Gino sa'yo yan kasi nga bago yung account mo. Lahat na lang pumapasok. Naka-auto ka, naka-auto-invite ka.
Hi!
Gino, ikaw yan. Naka-auto-invite ka.
Rayla, شو عم بيحكي؟ what is
Yo,
his
mo.
what is his
Pwede mo block yan.
Sige, alis muna ako na
Hello,
nasa
Perla.
stress ako.
Hindi si Gino yan. Ako talaga yung nag-i-invite.
Sasha pala. Sabi ni. Sabi ni.
Alam na mga viewers, oh, ikaw talaga yung nag-i-invite.
Naiiyak talaga. Ako yung bunot. Ako sinasabihan ng Hariroke. Ako daw ang may kasalanan kung ba't na-restrict. Ako daw yung nag-harassment.
Pag kay Ate Pat. Diba Ate Pat Matic sa iya?
Inawag ko si
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Hindi ko pa yung nasisi.
هيدا جاي كله بياكلوا شو بعمل؟
Wala, negro daw.
كريستيان بينقرض وهيدا
Wala.
بيبور
Mo, tapos ending ako yung ma-restrict ulit.
I am enjoying this live so.
Wow, you enjoying?
I am enjoying your life so.
Wow,
so
me too. We're enjoying you.
Thank
I am
you.
enjoying you. You are so beautiful. But those guys, I doubt them. I doubt them. They are not guys. I don't know if they are guys or not.
Dito kayo lalaki.
We are not guys.
Do you have this?
Alo, ayun ang definition niya ng guy.
Do you have this?
Pakitaan mo dyan. Hoy, yari ka kay Christian. Oh.
Gogo!
Ibaba mo ba, baba? Ay,
You are not.
Laki ng katawan!
Man!
You're a guy?
You should build muscle. انت fatty.
Down.
Fatty انت
All
fatty.
the way.
Build muscles.
ala, yun ang definition niya ng guy. Malaking
Laki
muscle.
ng katawan, gogi!
Can you do like this?
Oh, tangin.
Wow, you can headlock me.
Yeah, like I put your head here and kiss it because
Ay,
I
oh.
so sweet and beautiful.
Finish.
May sinali siyang random.
Who is Tarub? Who is Tarub?
Tarub, you do like this again. You do like this. You do like
Who
this
like
again.
this Tarub?
And then you pull it down. That is Tarub. That is Tarub. If you pull it down, that is Tarub.
Who is between them? No, I won't say anything. I respect. I don't want to say negative about these two
Oh,
guys.
putangin na pagkatapos ng lahat.
But they do you speak
Tapos sa lahat mo explain ka?
You said we're not guys, and now you want respect.
Do you speak
Wow.
English?
Yeah, we speak English.
Asshole. Do you speak English?
Yeah, we speak English.
Christian, do you speak English?
Yeah, I speak English.
جحش.
Yes.
قول جحش. Say جحش. Say أنا جحش.
Amar,
Say أنا جحش.
what is Jahash?
What is that?
يعني I am your يعني friend. Are you friend with
Jahash.
him?
Baka naman bawal sabihin.
Naka-mute daw.
Where are you from?
Wag daw eh, sabi ng sa mga
Sa
sabi
akin din, sabi wag daw.
Wag daw.
Anong wag?
Where are you from?
Wag daw sa
Philippines?
Oh, ako.
Where? Philippines.
We're from the Philippines.
I'm here at Korea.
Philippines.
Yeah, but right
Philippines.
now I'm here at New York Bacolod.
New York. Where?
New York Bacolod. It's very
New York.
yeah, it's very
New
near the Philippines, but it's like New York Bacolod has snow. Snowmen.
Naka-mute daw ako sa kanya. Buisit
Nice.
ko ah.
And you are friend with these two guys? Why
Yes.
you speak English?
Yeah, actually we're living happily ever after. Can I see your muscle again?
Why do you speak English but they don't speak English? Those two idiots, why they don't speak English?
They're speaking English.
They don't speak English. Those two idiots don't speak English.
Ano, idiot? No, don't talk like that. Don't talk like that. Don't tell them they are idiots.
Unmute me.
They
Unmute mo ako.
were saying bad things about
No,
me.
don't
when
do
I-
like that. Don't talk like that. It's not nice. Telling them an idiot. They're not an idiot.
Listen. Perla, your name is Perla? Your
Yeah.
name is Perla? Yeah. When I first entered the stream, they were talking bad about me, right?
They're not talking about you. How do you know?
Why they were laughing?
Because we are talking before you go up. We are talking. That's why they are laughing. But they're not talking about bad about you.
Oh,
You're
sinong
very
idiot na
overthinker. They are not talking bad about you. They're not talking.
Ayoko makipag-away sa foreigner sa baba.
You are very cute.
Pag ako nakipag-away.
Yeah, they are a good guy because before you go up, they are talking already. They're talking. They're laughing.
Okay.
Yeah,
I'm
so-
sorry. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Naman.
But don't talk like that to my friend. Don't talk like that.
Okay,
Baka
sorry.
makampante ka. Yeah. They're not talking about you. I-unmute mo si Gino. They're,
Unmute.
they're laughing, but not you.
Stop saying
Okay?
go out. I won't go out. Don't worry.
Oh,
Class
diba?
play.
Ayan, yan ang tamang pinapaalis. Ano, alis na ba tayo? Palaban?
You're okay now?
Anna, I'm good.
Yeah. So you know that they're not talking bad about you.
Lagot talaga yan pag
I
inunmute.
told you, I'm sorry. I didn't know because they don't speak English. That's it.
Yeah, it's okay. But even though they're not speaking English, you don't have to tell them that they're idiot.
If they were
You know what's the meaning of idiot, right?
Just compliment Jinho. Like, to ball ni
if they are
Jinho.
talking bad about me, I will talk bad about them.
Yeah, but
If-
you don't even know if they're talking about bad about you. You don't even know it. You just
If
overthink.
you went up live with people who, when you enter, they start laughing and they start not talking the language you talk, it means they are insulting me or they are making fun of me. That's why I take it bad. And when I know that they are not saying any bad thing, I told you I'm sorry. That's it. Easy.
Yeah, but now you
I'm
know.
sorry.
But it
But
doesn't
now you
mean that.
know.
Yeah, now you know. But it doesn't
Yeah.
mean that they are laughing. They are laughing about you because when you enter, they say hi
When
to
you
you.
are in my place, you will understand it as an insult. That's it. When you are in my shoes,
Hi, so
in
for
my
us,
place,
Ayari
you
ka.
will take it as an insult. That's it.
that's
I
why
told
I'm
you I'm sorry.
explaining.
What's the what?
That's why I'm explaining to you, right?
I'm told you
Yeah,
I'm
we're
sorry.
okay.
I told
We're
you
good.
I'm sorry. Do you want?
Amir,
Yeah, we're
good.
good. And first things first, if you want to talk about speaking English, my
We
English
love you. We love you from the bottom of our heart.
beyond your
Okay?
level.
We
Yeah.
love you too.
That's
We love
fine,
you.
Amir.
I love
That's
you. Too.
fine.
Well,
We love
next
you.
time- next time
think
if
like
someone
that,
is
okay?
laughing, just
okay, I'm
make
sorry.
sure
Pedro.
if
Good.
It's
I'm sorry
okay. It's
for-
okay. It's okay. We are family here. We are family.
O, ayoko na tumawa. Baka maano na naman ako dito.
Nakamute naman daw
Sorry.
kayo.
Nakamute.
Okay, do you want to-
They
You
say
want me to
sorry
go
to you.
down
They
and
say
do-
sorry to you if you think like that.
Sorry, Christian, two balls.
no problem. No problem.
Sorry,
Uy,
guys.
magganyan daw kayo.
Tubol
Do you
daw.
want me to go down? You play the three or what?
Sorry. Sorry
want to
for the
play or what do you want to do?
misunderstanding.
Yeah, sorry for the
Okay,
misunderstanding.
sorry.
Yes.
Patrick, thank you, Habibi. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Yeah, no
Habibi.
problem.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, and we're good. And
How do you want me to go out?
we forgive you.
You, the upper, you click that one and then like that.
Ayoko tumawa.
Yeah,
Baka...
I know. I know, Perla. But do you want to play or not? Okay, no problem. Nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Amir. Nice meeting you. And I hope you're doing great. But
Perlas.
dito,
Oh,
Grabe yung araw ko.
bunot ka.
Oo nga,
that
bunot ako.
tradition is
Mga 30 minutes na ako inasar-asar ni Christian. Ako yung may kasala. Tumawa lang ako kanina, na-restrict ako. Na-ban na yung 3 days yung account ko. Tapos ikaw ang nag-invite. Ako pa nabintangan ni Christian. Kasalanan ko daw. Tapos may pumasok na stranger. Tinawagan ba ako ng idiot?
Pinagtanggol ko naman kayo.
Oo. Alam mo yung
Idiot ako
gusto ko
eh.
siyang... ganun. Kaso naka-mute daw kami.
Nakamute daw kayong dalawa.
Ang bigat ng araw ko.
Kaya ako pinagtanggol ko naman kayo sa kanya.
Akala ko nung una nagjo-joke lang siya. Tunay pala siya. Na-offend siya.
no offense
Ano?
pala siya. Disrespectful yun kay Harry Roque. Kaya huwag nyo na.
Kuya Ben! Pag dumaan si Kuya Ben, Manong Ben, dapat nandito kayo para makaisa si ano eh.
Isa pa yan. Akala mo naman, tatanggol ka dyan. Baka first na
Sabi na, I love you, Pearl. I love you, Ma'am Ruby.
Pero in fairness, nakatikim siya ng power ng mga Pinoy. Na siguro
Kaya nga,
nagpanic
oo.
din siya. Nagkagalit sa
Hindi
comment
kasi
section.
siyempre, hindi naman, bago naman siya umakyat, Tumatawa na kayo, tumatawa na tayo eh.
Oo. Okay niya, makikipag-away siya rito, baka pag sinapak siya ni Jinwoo. Ay.
Ako na naman. Ako na naman.
Ang tagal ni Manong Ben, ang tagal ko na siyang di nakakasama sa live, si Manong Ben.
Kasi si,
Oo,
ano,
ano nga.
super late recently siya nagla-live eh.
Super
Or
late na siya
baka
recently
sinasadya niya
mag-live
na
eh.
hindi ako kasama.
Kasi hindi na siya makatulog.
Usually mga 1 a.m. siya nagsisimula hanggang
Alam mo,
5.
si Pepe, nag-aantay ako sino magla-live. Pag nag-live na isa-isa sa atin, tapos late, ayun na yun, pupasok na siya doon.
Iwas sa expression na parang galit. Oh, kasalanan pa ng mukha ko.
Kahit si Nico, hindi kami nagkakabot sa live.
Ganun talaga eh. Minsan din kami ni Brixie eh.
Uy, lagi nga kayo ni Brix nagkakabot sa live. Kami ni Nix, hindi kami nagkakabot.
Hira lang.
Totoo.
Minsan magtatanungan mo na kami, magla-live ka ba? Pag magla-live siya, ganun. Pero minsan hindi kami tatanungan, makikita ko na naka-live siya.
Tapos magka-live ka na rin.
Oo, ganun.
Kasi pag naka-live si Nico, lagi ako nasa labas. Kung wala ako sa labas, may ginagawa ako.
Sinabi daw nung foreigner, stupid people daw tayo after na daw ma-disconnect sa atin. Yan mo na! Yan yun na ang matalino.
Hayaan nyo na, may mga foreigner talaga na ganyan. Ano,
Pero hindi lahat naman.
Hindi naman lahat, pero may mga ganun talaga na mas kinakain yung utak nila ng muscle nila.
Saka, don't worry about me and Christian. Di ba sanay na tayo?
Nandito kasi yung utak nila. Oh. Kagaya na, nandito yung utak na no.
Christian, huwag ka tumawa. Baka tawagan na naman tayo ng idiot dito.
No, bumaba na.
Kasi huwag ka na kasi mag-invite Ate Pot.
Alam mo, ipakita ko na lang sa inyo yung ano kamay.
Sige,
Para
pakita
hindi
yung
nyo
kamay ha.
kumapinta.
Kapag may umakyat dyan, yung nakababang kamay, yun yung nag-invite ha.
Alam mo, dito na lang ako mag-live.
Sarta dar viewers la series kata.
Sino yun?
Sarta dar viewers
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Yan.
Hello, how are you, friend, my friend?
Oh, I'm fine, thank you. How? What a beautiful, huh? What a beautiful.
Oh, thank you, Habibi.
So I'm going to give you one Frankies.
You give me
What
panty?
country are you?
Sorry?
Huwag kayo tumawa, sige.
What country?
Sorry,
Hello.
sorry. I'm sorry.
What country are you from?
I'm
Oh,
sorry.
I'm from Nepal. I'm from Nepal, brother. Where are you
Wow.
from?
I hope I can go to Nepal. Maybe I can fly later.
Really?
At 12 midnight because every 12 midnight I'm flying.
Okay, so let's meet me, okay? I want to meet you. And
Yeah.
I'm going to have fun with you, okay? It's right for you?
Yes, oh, it's okay. What are we gonna do to Nepal?
I'm a cool boy. I'm a cool boy. I don't have any work to do now.
I
Okay.
see.
Gino,
Yes,
do you want to
really.
follow?
Yes.
I don't have any job. I don't have any job. I have nothing. Just I'm a cool boy.
I don't have passport. I cannot.
Cool boy daw siya, wala siyang trabaho.
I don't have passport either.
Okay, so you guys, I follow you, right? I hope you will follow back me. It's okay for you?
Thank you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Welcome, guys.
Yeah, sure. No problem.
Okay. Oh my God! Now I have a very lot of viewers.
Can you sing?
I don't have like these viewers before.
Oh.
Yeah, because they are happy. They are commenting?
No, it's nice. It's nice. It's just written Kifi. Kifi. What's the meaning of Kifi? K-I-F-F-Y Kifi. What's the Kifi? Oh my God.
Huwag kayong tumawa, nonchalant si Kim.
Oh my God! Now I have a now. Oh, I have a now. It's 1,400 viewers over here now. Oh my God! I'm gonna crazy now.
Wait, kiwi is part of the body that people can eat it until
No,
Yeah.
it's the cat in Japan. Hello, Kitty.
Yes. It's
Okay. Now I have a right. Wait, do you have viewers?
Hello.
Do you
Hello,
have
Kitty.
look, she's my wife. It's my beautiful wife. She's my black beauty wife. So,
Wow. Hi, wife.
Hi, wife.
Hello.
你係請你嘅眼啲係。
oh my god, oh my god.
Wow, she's beautiful.
She's very pretty.
She's very pretty.
Oh my god. It's about very beautiful, right? Beautiful and black beautiful wife.
Yeah.
Very.
You're so blessed with your wife.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because your wife is beautiful.
Yes.
She's very
Thank you
beautiful.
so much. Thank you so much, Zcast. Thank you so much for your beautiful gift. Thank you so much for support me.
Can you read the comments?
Okay, I gonna read comment now. Say Zcast, right, and respect. Thank you so much. Kiffy, what's the meaning of Kiffy? Oh my god, what's the meaning? It's every time writing Kiffy,
Yes,
Kiffy.
that's
What's the
Kiffy.
meaning?
Oh.
This
Hello,
is Kiffy.
Yes, that's Kiffy. Hello, Kiffy.
Hello, Kiffy. Her name is Hello Kiffy. That is Hello Kiffy.
Okay, that's your name. That's your
Yeah.
name.
Hello
Okay,
Kiffy.
okay. Okay, thank you so much, Zcast. Oh my god, thank you so much.
How many are
Thank you so
guys
much,
married?
Zcast. Oh my
How
god.
many years?
Uy, kawawa naman si Kuya. Ipapabanyo pa yung live niya.
How many years are you guys married?
Nang ganun.
Visit ng mga to.
Mamaya kakalive lang
Oh,
ni.
nice to talk you, all of you guys. Nice to talk you. I'm so
Yeah.
happy.
Me too, we are happy. Huwag kayong magdawa-dawa naman. Sige.
So, where are you from? Which country?
Hello, I have a
Philippines.
question.
We're from Philippines, but right now I'm in
Manse
New York,
Mavindas.
Bacolod.
Manse Mavindas. What's that?
Yes, Mansimo Bindas, right.
Am I right? Manse Mavindas?
Mansimo Bindas, yes. I'm also Bindas boy.
Wow. Nonchalant lang ha, walang
How
tatawa.
many years are you guys married?
Sorry?
How many years are you guys married?
Like before 11, 2 years before. Oh, sorry, 14 years before we married. 14 years before.
40 years.
14. 1 for 14.
Oh.
Yes, really. Thank you so much, Zcast. Like so much. Thank you so much. My beautiful friend, Zcast. You follow me, right? Oh, whenever I finish whenever I end my life, I gonna follow you. I gonna follow back you. Okay.
Okay, we will follow you.
Married.
Okay.
You're still solid.
You guys, handsome, and you ladies, so beautiful, black beautiful, right? Like my wife.
Yeah, thank you.
And the downstairs, what's your name? Christina, or what's your name?
Christian.
Christian.
Yeah, the other one. Can you read his name?
Okay, I will try. Tubol ni Jinho.
Yeah.
Am I right?
Yes.
Perfect.
You're very good at reading, ah.
So, hey, don't get insulted, okay? They're laughing because your pronunciation is so perfect.
Yeah, your pronunciation
Yes.
is so good. You read
Your
it
pronunciation
properly.
is so perfect. That's why we're
Thank you so much.
laughing.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
You're good at English, ah. How did you learn?
So please give me.
Ano po yung asawa niya?
Okay, that's fine.
Hinilan niya daw.
Thank you so much, Zcast. Thank you so much. Oh my God, Zcast, I want to give you one more kiss for you, for your big support.
Ganyan dapat pag inisenta ng gifts. Dapat ganyan.
Yes,
You can read comments like different comments.
Okay. Nico, what's the meaning, Nico?
Oh, Nico.
It's
Nico,
her.
it's a cat in the Japan.
Okay.
Nico is like my medicine.
Nico. Nico. Yes.
नेपाली हुनेहरूले नेपालीबाट कमेन्ट गराउँदा नेपाली भनेर guys double chat tab. Okay, thank you so much, Armin G. Thank you. Okay, and what's the meaning of Rodbu? Nico. Oh my God, what's that?
Uy, yung mababoy mo, Robert.
Do you have more comments? We can translate to you.
Okay. Oh my God, why crying? Why crying?
Wala. What?
Oh guys, hindi na kami yan ha. Baka mamaya may i-edit dito.
Radbu, avocado, avocado,
O avocado?
avocado.
Avocado, this what are you talking about? Avocado? Avocado.
Okay, thank you so much, Briggs. Thank you so much for your good gift.
Huwag ka tumawa. Huwag ka tumawa, Gino.
Chapters in Nilo. Oh my God, what's that?
Hindi. Sino bang hindi tatawa sa
Dick,
sabor?
Birix. What's the meaning of Birix? Dick. Oh my God, what's the dick?
Christian's friend.
Yeah, close friend. Bricks. Christian's
Our
friend.
friend. Yes, we're our friend.
Yeah.
Okay.
With sometimes
Okay.
benefits.
Okay. Harry Ricu, Birix love Christian.
Gusto ko lang sana mag-live. Naging try not to laugh challenge ang buong live ko.
Tito Morris. What's the meaning of Tito Morris?
Pugin birthday.
What? Again?
Okay, so I gonna teach you one song, okay? Lady, four lace. I gonna teach you one Nepali song.
Okay.
Follow me, please.
Okay.
Hey. Okay, start. Hey.
Hey,
Buro bides.
Burutid.
Gayo re kamauna.
Bayot kang kalamaris ka.
Okay, now next one. No, next one.
Again, go.
Below ti pacho.
Below si Paucho.
No. Below ti pacho.
Below
Paucho.
Grabing kulot yan, Michael.
Wow. Nice.
One more.
Okay,
Below
I gonna teach you one Nepali famous song in Nepal. Okay?
Baka mamaya
Let's
kung
go.
anong pinagtuturo niya sa atin, baka mamaya binababoy niya din tayo.
Go, makinig ka.
Resama firiri. Hello.
Yeah, go.
Resama firiri. Wow. Good translate. Resama firiri.
Para si Cesar Boldo.
You are a donkey, I am a monkey. Resama firiri.
Ay? Did you say yes, I'm a monkey?
No. You are a donkey, I am a monkey. Resama firiri.
Ay, yung pala yun. We are the donkey and he's the monkey. Wow.
Okay, you teach me. Now your turn now. Your turn. Teach me song. I gonna follow you. I just follow you.
Okay.
Okay.
May martilyo at pako, anong tunog? Go.
Sorry?
May martilyo,
My martillo.
may pako,
My bako.
anong tunog?
Tanong tung tung jeriburi.
Tunog. Nog.
Nog.
No.
Nog. Tunog.
Martilyo at pako, anong tunog?
Ano matutok? Wala laughing. You?
Nag-away na sila.
Don't fight. It's okay. Don't fight.
May
No,
martilyo
I love
at
mine. I love my booty.
Yes, be nice.
Wow.
Don't fight. Okay, like this. May martilyo at pako, anong tunog?
My arte pilu alu kinu. Don't laugh. Hey. Don't laugh.
Again, this one is easy.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.
This one is easy. Ikaw naman, Gino. Tapos na ako. Gino, gonna teach you. Tubol gonna teach you.
Okay. Now it's turn. Christian turn now.
1, 2, 3.
Now it's turn.
No, follow me. 1, 2, 3. Asawa ni Marie.
Sawa ni Mary.
Walang panty.
Sorry?
Walang panty.
Walang panty.
Kinati-kati.
Kita ni Kati, meron gulay.
Yes. Ay, grabe, may online. Sana all may humahalik.
We're jealous. I want to have that too. No more.
This one, minani ko ni Monica ang makina ni Monico.
Oh my God, it's too difficult. It's long.
Okay, like this. Ay, ano na lang. Ano kasi yung may isa pa, di ba? Christian, ikaw magaling sa ganyan eh, sa mga ganyan words. Baka may iba kang turo sana.
Nakakapagpagaga.
You say like this, nakakapag pagabagag.
Mali din yung...
Nakakapagpagabagag.
Hindi yun. Nakakapagpabagabag.
Nakakapagpabagaga.
Nakakapagpagabaga.
Bagag daw eh. Siomao, siopay, suman. Ay, suman.
Oh, you say like that, siomay, siopay, siumay.
Ikaw ata yung ano rito eh. Nag-ibang bansa eh. Say siopaw,
Siopao,
siomay,
tumay,
suman.
Suman.
tuman.
Siopaw, siomay, suman.
Tupao, suman, puman.
Yay! May fucking...
Laging may paalik si kuya mo.
Respect guys, meron akong kaso nila dinira, mabit sila.
You teach us Nepal.
One in Lubra, comment. I translate, I say you comment now. I gonna say you comment now. Respect guys, meron akong aswa na lady niya, mabit sila. What's this?
Meron akong asawa na... What?
Oh, ayun dito. Alis na rin.
You teach us.
Okay. Kiss mo eh. Mero parani.
Magtumawa Gino. Si Gino po. Wait, time first. Gino is laughing.
Mero parani. Mero, hello, please follow me.
Follow daw.
Hello.
Christian, mag-follow ka kasi.
Hello, please follow me.
Okay, Christian, follow daw, please. Okay.
Oh, Christian is lagging.
Mero parani.
Pero.
Mero parani.
Mio parami.
Thank you. Mero parani.
Mio parani. Gino, mano ka kasi.
Wow, मलाई छोडी गयो भने
Ang mani.
Malulunok ko na yung dila ko kakapigil ng tawa.
हुन्छ ओखरानी मेरो काली रुम्बा डार्लिङ ओइ बिहे गर्न के है राम्रो छ धनी छ कि धनी छ भने लाग्छु धनी
Naiiyak
ओ यो
ako.
गिफ्ट चाहिँ कसलाई ओ गाइज यो गिफ्ट चाहिँ कसलाई आएको यो आएको आइछ त यार मलाई हो कि कसलाई हो यो
Thank you. 3.1M likes.
Uy, tahimik lang
नेपालीले भनौँ
ako
त
isa.
यो गिफ्ट कसलाई आएको हो गाइज
Kahit di mo ko pilitin. Malasing.
Thank you so much, Mustang. Thank you guys.
Melon.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Philip. I just follow you. Arrogant. I follow you, arrogant.
Christian, follow mo na para matapos.
Arrogant. I follow you
Oo nga,
now.
i-follow mo na siya, Chan.
Pinalo ba ko na?
Ah, okay.
Ay, kunyari naglalag tayo, no? Lag prank. Walang tatawa, Gino, ha?
Oh, sige.
1, 2, go.
Philip. Thank you so much, Philip. Japon. Thank you. I just follow you, Japon. I follow you. Hariroki. What's the meaning of Hariroki? Respect. Hariroki.
Wait
What's
lang,
the-
Wait lang ah. Okay na eh.
Gcash. Thank you.
Oh, tawa ang puta mo.
Oh, why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing?
Because you call me... No, it's okay. I understand you.
May na pala.
Yeah, it's okay. Don't get offended. It's language barrier. But we're kind people. We respect you.
You guys, really? Big respect to you guys. Big respect to you.
Oh,
Big respect to you.
Mas tinawagan akong Harry Roque ba? Big
Where are you from? Which country? Bo.
Ano tayo mag-lag prank, okay? Lag prank. What? Go na ha, wala na akong seryoso na to. Go.
दस बाह्र हजार छ मान्छे गिफ्ट फाले यो गिफ्ट कसले फालेको हो गाइज नेपालीले कमेन्ट गरौँ न कसले फाले हो के यो कसले आएको हो यो यस्तो भिडियो आएको आइछ त यहाँ त्यो 4-5 लाखै जम्मा भयो क्या बुढी भिरिक्स ह्यान्डसम टिटो मार्स के स्याडनेस रे लिप थिम जाखोए लाग जिकास लिप थिम टिटो मार्स oh my god just with you now
Ay, akala ko sino na naman.
Nakakausap lang namin ng ano eh. Ikaw na naman.
Ha?
Na-trauma na kami.
Bakit?
Fukerat! First time kita na-miss.
Nakakami si Pukirat.
Kinapala ko, sabi ko
Si
sa
Pukirat, grabe, nakakami.
Na-trauma na ako. Kala ko may panibago na naman.
Na ano?
Paano mag-explain? Pagod na ako.
Hi, Fukirat.
Hello?
Miss ka namin.
Blooming oh. Blooming.
Blooming mo ngayon, Poops.
Puti mo.
May kailangan si Christian ngayon kaya ganyan-ganyan sa akin. Alam ko yan, kilala kita.
Uy, nag-chat ako sa'yo, ha?
Oo. Kanina nagmudulog ako kanina eh.
Kaya nga.
Fukirat,
Uy,
pa-follow back.
Fukirat.
Second
Fukirat,
account
may
ko to.
nag-i-invite. Fukirat. May nag-i-invite sa atin dun sa may ano. Pwede ka naman, di ba? Basta sabihan kita ahead of time. Thank you, Ma'am Chabs. Di ba? Ano yun? Parang hotel. Ano yun? Parang lahat, buong Team Bardagulan. Libre naman lahat.
Ilang napagod ako doon.
Pwede eh. Kasi parang magiging busy ako this coming week.
Hindi naman ngayon talaga.
Gagi, saglit lang, na-stress ako saglit. Naglalag prank ako, tapos biglang, who is Harry Roque? Who is Harry Roque? Harry Roque.
Hindi mo na kilala kung sino, no?
Yung unang tinawagan kaming idiot, tas ay, sino yan? Si Christian.
Yung time na hindi pa ako, yung time na ano,
I'll be
yung
your
time na masipag pa ako mag-workout.
stress. Hindi na stress.
Ano, Fukera? Ano, pa-follow back?
Ha?
Second account ko to, na-ban yung isang kong account. 3 days. May napin ako na comment na tite. Tapos
Ay.
naban ako.
Sobrang sarap kasi nun eh.
Galing na si Jenny.
Kaya nga, hindi ko matiis.
My best friend, face card.
Iba talaga sa ate Jenny, no? Yung talaga.
Pasabog.
Literal yung mukha.
Dapat meron din tayong photoshoot na
Actually,
sama-sama.
oo. Actually, di ba meron nga gusto mag-photoshoot sa atin sa street daw. Parang sa kalsada.
Ayun, kalsada. Okay na ako sa studio kung saan may aircon.
Aray, endorser ng Oral-B.
Ay,
Ay, grabe.
Pan oras din. Maganda naman ang isip.
Ang blooming ni Bukarat.
Totoo ba?
Ba't parang pumuti ka?
Kaya glow.
Totoo? Wala kang ano ngayon? Makeup?
Walang make-up. Feel ko may kailangan kayo sa akin. Hindi kayo ganyan.
Kasi pag sinabi namin pangit ka, wala kaming kailangan. Pag pinupuri ka, sabi mo may kailangan sa'yo.
Hindi
Ang mo, ha?
naman. Naninibago lang ako kasi parang hindi ako sinasabihan pangit eh, di ba?
Oo nga. O, kaysa naman sabihan ka namin pangit, eh di wala kaming kailangan sa'yo nun.
Ay, mga may kailangan kayo.
O, wala kaming kailangan, sinasabihan ka na kino-compliment ka namin maganda.
Sigurito naman to, high blood ka te.
Hindi naman ako high blood kasi sabi mo, May kailangan kayo sa akin. Wala kaming kailangan, maganda ka nga eh.
Ano ba na? Para lang ako kahit 1 times lang. Pero, may chismis ako sa inyo. Nga pwede namang sabihin dito sa live ngayon.
Go.
Ito na nga. Uy, pag pumunta kayo sa ano, ayaw ko na sabihin.
Ayan yung pet, isa sa mga pet peeve ko.
Sa mukha eh. Yung...
Oo, isa yan. Alam mo po, Kirat, isa yan sa pet peeve ko. Yung kunyari, may sasabihin tapos walang sasabihin. Pasalamat ka na sa screen ka. Kung nasa personal ka na, sampal ka na sa akin.
yung tipong perlas, dot, wag na lang.
Oo.
Yung parang ganun.
Ganyan yan. Kahit sa IG, pag nag-chat siya, Perla ay pat, tapos wala na siyang reply na susunod, 1 week
Kaya
na
nga
ulit.
pati ako po sa'yo, ate talaga.
Nakaka-overthink.
Talaga eh. Sabihin mo na, ngayon na, bilisan mo, baka ilabas ko yung video mong nakikipag...
Grabe ang death threat. Grabe ang pagka-threatening.
Go. Sabihin mo na.
Sige.
Magaganda din kayo ngayon. Ang ganda din yung mga aura nyo ngayon.
Ay, hindi talaga yun yung sabihin mo.
Ano nga? Curious
Hindi mo
din tuloy
nakasabihin.
ako.
Ha?
Sabihin mo na.
Sabihin mo na. Baka kaya ka blooming. Anong yun?
Sabihin
Yan
mo na.
naman din. Nainis ako.
Na.
Ang ganda ba ng hair ko?
Ay,
Ay, nanggigigil sa'yo.
Sino ka? Si Gio. Inano ka na ni Gio? Anong ginawa sa'yo ni Gio? Inalikan ka niya? Ano, sinamahan ka niya? Pinumpa ka na ba niya? Nakausap ko na magulang niya? Anong gusto mo sabihin?
Ayan.
Sabihin ko lang na
pili ka na sa choices. Ang dami nun.
sabihin ko lang na yung ingron ko namamaga. Grabe ka naman. Ang dami mong sinabi.
Hindi talaga yung ingron.
Ingron talaga yung namamaga.
Ingron ba o yung puwet? Ng ano?
Hoy, andito daw si Father!
Sobrang OA na.
Uy. Father. Dito.
Grabe ka talaga.
Sorry po guys. Ay, nandito si Pa.
Father. Uy.
Pero ano ka, mukha ka naman blooming eh. Kasi halatang-halata naman sa ano mo, yung may moonlight sa taas ng noo mo.
Oy, grabe ka.
Halatang nag-iisa lang siya dyan. Halatang in love ka. Nag-iisa lang siya sa noo mo.
Pero nga dito eh. Tumubo.
Hoy, pag ikaw!
Hindi na gagawin.
Bakit mo inalis, Christian?
Ito na nga eh.
As the moonlight shine on Paris.
Ay, Fukirat, meron akong tanong. Kung meron kang kanta para kay Gio, anong kanta ito?
Ano?
Feeling ko ano, mama na yan, inuman na.
Hindi ako, ito yung kanta ko sa kanya. Okay lang dapat ako.
Anong gusto mong i-ano sa kanya? Anong kanta yung i-ano mo kay Gino kung mamimit mo siya?
Yung ano, yung...
Kambuhat.
Jumbo!
All of my life, I've been passing by.
O, siguro ibulong mo na lang yan sa kanya.
Ito sa akin,
Ibulong mo
ito
na
sa
lang.
akin.
All of my life. Sobrang wala yan talaga.
Siya ang ating senador kasi masipag siya. Si tatay
Ay, oo nga, kamukha ni Gino si Harry Roque. Ay, oo, may resemblance.
Tangina, pasalamat kayo na sa match tayo.
Uy, ano ang kanta? Uy, tanungin natin si Fukirat kasi si Fukirat, guys, in love talaga yan. And Fukirat
Hello,
receiving
sir.
the same energy. Fukirat receiving the same energy tsaka yung love na gusto niya. So, anong kanta yan, Fukirat? Go.
Stel.
Yung nga.
Andito lang si Stel sa SB19.
Hi, Stel! Mahal na mahal kita, Stel. Sana
Hi,
naman,
Stel.
Stel.
Tapos
Makita
ending
na
ako
tayo,
din
Stel.
mababali.
I love you, Stel, from the bottom. Huy, yung isang grupo ni Stel, friend ko sa TikTok.
Di ba may kanta yan? May kanta si Stel.
Yung gumagano, no? Si ano, yung cute.
Justin.
Si Justin, friend ko siya. Dito.
Stel the one I want for... Ano, ikaw, Perlas, kung may kanta ka para kay Nico, ano yon?
Ano,
Oh my God, yun!
Boom, 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 chick.
hindi, may kanta ako kay Nico,
Kaya nga, feel ko i-release ko na yung
You're
ayuda.
the one I want to,
Uy,
the
Gino.
one that I
Talaga
belong
ngayon lang.
to, you're
Joke
still the
lang.
one I want for. You're still the one.
Yung sa akin, yung ano, yung...
Oo. Pwede naman natin pag-usapan to ng mahal.
Ikaw, Christian, kung may kanta ka kay Fricks, anong kanta?
I've been passing by, watching trains go by, all of my life.
Yan, yung kanyang kanta.
Ay, ang ganda nga. Ikaw, Christian, kung may kanta kay Fricks, anong kanta yon?
Kung
Marami.
nakita niyo yung post, ang ganda ko dun, oh.
Pwede, pero may isa, yung kinanta namin,
Sobrang sama na ugali ni Jimmy.
Anong kanta yon?
yung sa stage.
Hindi ko alam, hindi ko alam
Hindi ko
pa.
na ano.
Nakalimutan niyo yung mga kanta niyo, ah.
Grabe ka.
Pangat yung ganyang Chris.
Ay, siguro yung kanta ninyo, nagsimula sa patikim-tikim.
Pilit mang gustuhin.
Titikman hanggang maubos ang sarap. Tapos yung kanta mo, Fukirat, yung kanta sa'yo ni Jiho, alipin ako.
Namumula, sabi ng puwet ni Chanita, mana.
Uy, maganda yung kanta natin kay Stel. You're still the one I want to.
You, the only one I love.
We love you, Stel. Sana makasama ko si Stel. Sana meron akong event makasama si Stel. Kahit ano lang. Kahit magabuhat lang ng mineral water.
Bostel.
Eh, sana magkaroon tayo ng sayaw na Gento.
Gento, dito basta-basta. Gento. Alam mo na parang ginto.
Nanonood ba si Stel? Totoo ba? Or M&M mo lang?
Baka dumaan.
Si Stel nga, friend kami ni Stel sa TikTok eh.
Sana all friends.
Kami ni yung isa kong friend, yung cute na nila.
Friend
Sa tweet mo na.
Oh, kung may sayaw ka naman, Fukirat, para kay anong sayaw? Tumayo ka dyan.
Anong sayaw?
Anong sayaw mo kay Jiho?
Nahiya kasi ako sumayaw, eh.
Tumayo, huwag ka nang mahiya. Pag ganyan mga mukha natin, hindi na tayo nahihiya. Go.
You raise me up to high places and the mountains.
Basta kumanta niyan, na biktima ng ano. Wala kayong dyan.
You raise me up.
Ikaw, Christian, anong sayaw mo kung sasayawan mo si Briggs?
Back when I
Ayun kami dalawa. Dalawa kami sasayaw.
Hindi, ikaw lang nga. Ikaw yung nandito eh.
I listen to the radio, watching Mother.
Fukirat, saan ka nakatingin?
Grabe, nakaka-offend yun.
Ay, sorry.
Ay,
Uy, pang Oscar daw yung boss mo. Kanta ka pa daw ulit.
sige.
Go. Ay, sana daw ay, Fukirat, sabi dito. Sana magka-concert si Fukirat. Unang pasok pa lang, uwi na lahat.
Ay, grabe.
Yung kanta eh, kung ako'y mag-asawa.
Kung ako naman mag-aasawa, ang pipiliin ko. Ang pipili talaga yung class.
Ay, hindi pala sila.
Ang taga-kanto. Bakit? Kanto ko siya. Kanto niya ko. Kanto kami sa harap.
Sana maban, umikot si TikTok. Ikaw naman ang
Ito na, maban!
Uy, naka-live daw si
Sino?
Sino doon?
bebe niya.
Baba na ba?
Baba na kami?
Uy, hindi, joke lang. Uy, hindi ko naman kayo iiwan, no, kahit naka-on.
Talaga ba?
Sana
Yo,
ay, paano yun? Nung iwan siya.
nag-prank na naman siya.
Paano yun?
Watching Steven's live.
Napantata.
You raise me up.
Kayo, yung mga viewers na nakakapon.
Then the mountain.
I'm so shy.
Hello po, tita.
Wait lang ha.
Okay lang po, tita.
Hello, bakit walang volume?
Hello, madlang people.
Mabuhay.
Hello, Christian!
Hi, tita.
Dito ako, tita.
Hello
Dito po ako.
Ay, hi po.
Bakit sa'yo?
Alam ko, sure ako dyan.
Kamusta po
Sure
kayo?
ako na ikaw. Actually, mahiya ako mag-join kasi alam mo naman.
Oo nga, kayo tayo si tita.
Hindi, matakot ako makabasa ng baba.
Ah,
Hi, Perlas!
Hi po.
Tapos ka na nagbakasyon?
Tita, thank you sa gift mo, tita.
Thank you po
You're
sa
welcome.
Thank you po,
Christian,
tita, sa
kailangan mo
gift.
na ako i-follow. Ha? Kapal na mo.
Naka-follow na
I-follow
ako
mo
sa'yo,
ako para-
tita. Naka-follow na ako sa'yo.
Para ma-message ko kayo. Kasi ito, si Perlas. Naka-follow? Naka-follow. Ni-require
Tita,
lahat.
kanina pa po hinaharap ni Poker at si Gio.
Sinalo
Si
pa
Gio
sa-
hindi nagpaalam.
sa gym.
Hindi siya nagpaalam.
Sa gym ka.
Hindi, kasi minsan mas may alam pa yan siya kaysa sa akin. Like last night, yung nag-live ako, tapos tinatanong ako kung asa na si Gio kasi sabi ihatid lang yung friend.
Ay!
Hindi ko alam kung nasaan, tapos siya alam niya. Nag-comment siya sa live. Sabi niya pauwi na. Ma. Mad.
Grabe naman po.
Nag-ano ako eyeglasses kasi ako farsighted. So,
Anong
para
tawag,
mabasa
anong
ko.
tawag mo kaya na tita, mama na?
Mama
daw.
na.
Pinadulas lang ako nung kasi nasasanay ako sa mama, di ba? Yung tawag kay QD, ma, di ba? Nasasanay ako.
Oo. At least meron siyang lusot.
Nakalimba ba si Gino, guys?
Parang
Nag-live si Gio, quick live lang kasi nag-stop din siya kasi nag-CR siya and then paalis sila.
sabi sa akin na
Paano siya?
TT.
Mag-ano daw sila? HQ.
Ah, okay. Kasama mga pingay.
Kasama ang? Kasama ata ang friend niya. Georgia, can you please get my charger?
Sure.
Kay nalobat na di ko.
Ay, nababan sila?
Ha?
Andyan pa si ano yun?
Naban kayo? Ay, may warning nga ako eh. Totoo ba to yung warning? Maaari kang ma-restrict ng iyong
Yeah,
account.
ayun basta ng comment. That's why shy ako mag-join ng join ang mag-live nila. Isaksak na lang dito, lipat na ako.
Hi, Kirimpi!
Kirimpi. Ayan dito si Georgina, yung sabi mo na mag-Jensen ka tapos
Ay, alam mo ba kagabi nilagay ko sa HQ yung ano mo?
Yung
Nilagay ko sa screen.